Instead of who cow to escape, make we cut the tail to do cow to pepper soup. And the radio top boy funky DJ Brown just they scatter our thinkings of others with some good music. And that one wanna listen to Pato Ranking featuring Sarkodie. Now the 2-9 jump body they come they talk about no kissing, no touching, make we not forget what happen. What would they carry common and no say this matter it get weight and it occupy space. Xenophobic attack on Nigerians for inside South Africa. This matter they pain everybody. Now me Karanko give us make we join body, reason the matter, make we synchronize the matter together at the end of the day for national and state peace to reign. Everybody they provoke. National Association of Nigerian Students, they don't talk and say if they not handle this matter amicably to stop this attack on Nigerians in diaspora, say what did they go do? What did they go do? They don't they threaten to vandalize South African business and property for inside the country. Even the start time for inside Delta, they won't begin to mobilize themselves. Now the government of Delta State and some other police now go meet and say no. Make una get good behavior. Because if you begin to attack all these companies and all these South African companies, we get South African interest for inside our globalistic Nigeria. It will affect some of we will be Nigerians, some of your brothers and your sisters. So make you take them easy. And they can succumb to the advice from the government. Everybody they talk. Everybody, it can't be like say, I've been Nigerians. Because what is South Africa say Nigeria, most of them they involve in level of dirty business. And they're not there happy. They want me Nigerians go back, say, because most of them they violate the laws of the land. Some blind say that they fear say Nigerians they take their job. Because I know say Nigerians are very intelligent people. So what do you think? How you go fit rate the attitude of Nigerians in diaspora, our citizen, how they take the brand, the image of the country? Serious matter. If I ask you, you go feel say the thing satisfy you. It is satisfactorily or non-satisfactorily to you. How you go reason the matter? Begin they call me 45 minutes down, piati, leave 11 o'clock. And on toilet matter, we must talk this matter. Because it's get with and it occupies space. Hello. Who they my domo they torturing me? I they suspect this voice. I know say na you na my brother from another mother. Okay, all the way from Mazaram Refit. Nothing do you. Where? Me carry and you know say based on say na me get the yam, now you get the cutlass. I carry and chest and come give you make you help me talk about the matter. What do you get to talk? Our government supposed to say something. Government don't they do something? Even Nigerian lawmakers they don't react to this xenophobic attack. Go. May they do something. No verse. I believe say that they do something. They could do something about that matter. No revenge. Not pay evil with evil back. I beg. Just take them easy. He said they want make with revenge. I beg go because no say Nigerians. I don't tell you, I say Nigerian. That's a giant of Africa. If Nigerians sneeze, cold go catch the rest African country. So I beg make we not sneeze. Make we allow the government do them small. They say na jete na win the race. Still on the matter, 47 minutes don't pianti leave 11 o'clock. And people they drop their contribute make if for no loss. Make I take this one before we go pianti come on for this segment. Hello. Hello, hello. Shoo, who they my domot, they torturing me. Emma Izan all the way from Abattoir had the meat ministry before that side.
Very
Correct.
my guy in the house, South African team, Nigeria over there, it's not very worrisome.
Very worrisome. Very worrisome. Very worrisome. Yes.
Our government is on top of the matter or what?
Yeah, they are in the matter. They are into the matter. Yes.
Let Nigerian government withdraw our embassy from South Africa. Because there is not important there. Our people are being there and remain silent. What does that actually mean?
The Nigerian lawmakers, they don't request the Nigerian ambassador to South Africa. They don't recall them. They don't request them. So, don't worry. I did tell you. Correct. Correct. Thank you very much, my brother. Thank you very much. I bet may not to burn your mind and make I give you holy water to take press your conscience. Oh yeah, use a cool temper. Oh yeah, take her. Okay, correct. You see, I beg make Nigeria, make the lawmakers, make them begin. They call Nigerian ambassador to South Africa, make they call and make come back. And then I wait till they request now. They request and now say, okay, since this matter no one stop, they go take action. And no say when Nigeria take action, not be smart, not be smart. The king of the jungle, not be Nigeria. Make them not they do their children anyhow for that side. 15 minutes, don't pianti leave 11 o'clock. And I know, I'm not there alone, I'm there with my brother from another mother. No other person but the Regulator boy, Funky DJ Brand. You know, say when we trash important and very serious matter like this, when we don't the trash them, when people don't the verse, we go take music, take press our conscience, make it for no loss. And they come and leave one in the hands of Funky DJ Brand. Oh yeah, give them what they need. Go make their body in.